When you lose someone through murder or manslaughter, many different people and organisations will become involved. The police talk about their case. Forensic scientists may want samples of clothing, and the courts are setting hearing dates. You may feel as though you're being asked endless questions when you find it difficult to concentrate and have no mental or physical energy. You are desperate to ensure that everything in the investigation goes correctly and worry that you may have forgotten something important. It is important that you are told as much as possible about the circumstances surrounding the death. What you do not know, your mind will invent, and that can be even more distressing than the truth. Although there are certain points that are evidential to the trial, so you may not be told everything. You may be confronted by reporters or pestered by telephone calls asking for background information and photographs. If you do not want to talk to them, you do not have to. A bereaved relative will have the support of a police family liaison officer who will liaise with the senior investigating officer and the press office regarding media intrusion. And the approach to the media should be handled by the police. The inquest will be the first legal procedure you will have to cope with. It is important to realise that it is not a trial, but an inquiry to establish the facts, when, where and how the death occurred. The coroner decides which witnesses should be asked to attend, but you or your lawyer will have the opportunity to question any witness. You may find the inquest helpful. At least some facts will be established, and you may learn more about the circumstances surrounding the death. However, a full inquest will generally only take place if there are no charges relating to the death, in order that the circumstances surrounding it can be heard. The coroner does have the discretion to hold an inquest regarding any death, but the decision is made on a case-to-case basis. In all cases, if someone has been charged with offences relating to the death, the inquest will be adjourned in favour of any criminal proceedings. The coroner will simply establish the identity of the deceased and the medical cause of death. The trial will probably be the most stressful time of all. It may be the first time you come face to face with the accused. You may hear their defence attacking the character of your loved one. You're desperate for justice to be done, and at a time when you are physically and mentally exhausted, you are expected to understand what is going on and to give clear and concise evidence. Try hard to let your common sense guide you. When the trial is over, the public part of the nightmare will be over, and you will be able to grieve more.